next task is to add the item or the task item within our user interface. So we can do that within our add task method. Okay, and then we can write in, because of course we need the hbox. Okay, each item is contained within an hbox. So we're going to create that on the fly whenever the user creates a new task. So first we're going to check if task content is not empty. Okay, and then we can create here an hbox plus box new hbox, and then hbox is the preferred height for this. Set pref height is let's make it 6 for now, because it's just hbox. It's going to grow with our contents of the hbox. So hbox, we're going to add the style for this, get style class, and then we're going to add the task class. So it's just going to color the hbox with, I think it's somewhat dark here. Okay, we're just adding the border color and the border radius of our hbox. So we have that, and then I'll just copy and paste some of the codes here so that we will have, we won't take much of your time. So we're just adding here the preferred width. We're going to import the region, spacing into 5, the padding is 9, and we're using insets. Insets, import JavaFX insets, and then we're going to set the minimum size into computed size and maximum size also. So we're going to use also text node within our label. Okay, and then we're setting the graphics of our label, which is we're going to use the label or the text node right here. So we're going to import the color first. Okay, then we're going to import the font and the font weight. Okay, I think that's it for the label. We're going to add also the delete icons. So as you can see here, where is it? We have the delete icons on the far right of our task item. So we have here the image view, the text or the label, and of course the icon. So we have already added hbox, the text, and then we're going to add also the image view. Okay, so we're going to have this line right here. So we're going to import the image, and then we're going to use these icons right here. Again, these files are already available in the repository, so you can also download that and add that in your project. So in here, we're just checking if the status is open. So it means that we need to set the icons into circle, and then if it is of course otherwise, then we're going to set it as the filled circle icon, because there's a difference between the close task and the open task right here. So after that, we're going to add that into our image view, Okay, we're going to import the image view, and also we're gonna add the delete button right there, and we're going to add an image into our btn delete. So this is for the delete button. You can always pause the video so that you're able to follow along with the tutorial, because if we try to write these files or these lines right here, we will take maybe a lot of time to finish our video tutorial. Okay, so we have that, and also I'll be uploading the most recent or the updated version of our repository, so that you can just copy and paste the lines of code that we have added right here, so it won't take time for you to add all these lines right here. And then we're going to add all these elements into our hbox. This is the main hbox, children, and then add all, and then the image view first. This is the icons on the left side. This is an image view, so it could either be open or the field one. So image view, and after that one will be the label, and then of course the button delete. So after adding that into our hbox, this hbox here represents the entire hbox or the entire item with the border white. Okay, and then the parent box, this is the hbox that we have here. This is the vbox. Within the scroll pane, this is the parent box, as you can see here. So we're gonna add all the elements or all the task items within this vbox container. So we're gonna make use of the parent box, and then get children, and then add the hbox that contains all the image view, the label, and the btn delete. Okay, so let's try this for now. Then let's run our file. So we have here, we already have a task within our db.txt, so that's why it's having 0/1 here. So let's try to add a new one. So test new. Let's press the button right here. It says task added, but it's not adding the item within our UI. So let's try to debug this. Okay, hbox, get children, I think we just need to clean and build again our application, just to make sure that we have the updated version of our app. So we're just going to stop first all the instances of our app, and then clean and build, and finish. We're just going to run our file. Okay, new task, and then click on the plus button. Okay, so there we have it. We have already added the task into our UI. So this is the task item. So currently, we're just adding the task if it is a new task, not necessarily the task coming from our file, because the implementation of that is within the else statement that we have here. We only have the implementation for the task that should be added, or the new task to be added into our tv.txt. So I think that's all there is to it, guys, for this video tutorial, and we're going to continue with this in the next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next.